The logo that I'm going to work on today is Big Basket. I don't know how many of you know this. How many of you know about Big Basket? This is what we are going to try to redesign. As you can see, it's not one of the best looking logos. This is their old logo, Big Basket. This is an online grocery store, supermarket, whatever you want to call it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just explore a few shapes here and there and see how that goes. I like this mark because, if you look at the white space here, there's this B structure that I'm liking, if you know what I mean. So when you have the rounded corners, it's sort of like not aligned. It seems out of place because there's too much of white space here. And we have less white space here, and then we have 3 corners connecting. Here's what I mean. You see this white space and this white space and this white space. So there's some sort of symmetry going around here. When it comes to here, there's too much of white space here. This much. Here we have just this much. I don't know if that makes sense. You see the white space here and see the white space here. I don't know if that makes sense, but visually when you look at it, there's a little bit of visual imbalance here. Let me know what you think, left or right, because I'm digging the concept. I like the concept. It's obviously way better than this one. I also like this one though. Wow. What I'll do is I'll start working on the typeface for Big Basket. The reason why I don't think Helvetica might be a good fit because of these tails. The tail of A. Which makes it a little more formal, a little more serify sort of feel. But that is not happening on Inter, which is nice. Let's look for color palettes. So I use Coolers. It's a great color palette generator. I don't have any clear idea of what I want to go ahead with, but let's try searching for a few ones. There you go. Before and after. Looks good. I really like the white space. The negative space B that's outside it, which makes it again B. So there's this, set of looped B, an infinite loop sort of thing, which is quite nice. I like that. And it works well even, let me show you. It works well even with an app icon. Let's say they have an app. And looks really well. Cool. So I think that's it for this stream. It was a test stream, but we went on for 1.5 hours, which is quite insane. But thank you very much for joining in. I will be doing this more often, so stay tuned. Maybe also subscribe. If you like the stream, share it with others, because this is how I'm planning to take things ahead. Doing more of live streams and sharing stuff with you as well, so that I can share a little bit of tips and tricks here and there. You can see me working on stuff rather than just me bolting out all of that. So I'm planning to do more of live streams. I'm planning to do more of YouTube videos. So subscribe to the channel, as well as share it with your friends so that they can also make use of that. Cool then. Thanks for joining in again. It was good having all of you, talking to all of you, and I hope to see you in the next live stream. Bye bye. See ya.